Hey everybody, Jim Watson with Arc-Zone.com. I want to talk to you today about Sharpie tungsten electrode grinders. So the fastest way to improve your TIG welding is with a quality tungsten electrode grinder. Today we're going to talk about the DX or the Deluxe. This is my grinder, so it has a heavy duty battery on it. We offer these batteries as an option. Alternatively, the machine comes with a standard battery, the charger, 110 or the 220 European charger, depending upon which model you buy. The cool thing is you can build your own Sharpie, so you can go with the classic aluminum, tungsten gray, auburn red, or black ops. You can mix and match the components and make something truly unique. All right, one of the things that differentiates the Sharpie tungsten grinder is it has an adjustable grind angle from 5 to 45 degrees. Here's the adjustment screw here. You just loosen the set screw and dial in the angle. You can put it on the top so you can come in and do a tip flat on the tungsten. And there's a slot on the side where you can angle the tungsten and contact the side of the wheel and either score and break the tungsten off or cut it all the way through. So it's as simple as this. Turn it on, put the pressure, and through the top and knock the sharp point off the tungsten. So what they call a tip flat or a land on it. In other words, just knock this. If you want to cut the tungsten with the length, just lay it in, score it, pop it right off, and then you can regrind your paper. And there you have a perfectly ground tungsten electrode. Okay, so the Sharpie cordless DX CL cordless model, high quality machine, hand assembled and built in our Vista, California facility. The finest components. You can see, you can read the reviews on our website. Super highly rated. So each machine comes with a double-sided industrial grade diamond wheel. This is not a cheap knockoff wheel. This is a made in USA, high quality industrial grade diamond wheel. When you wear it out on one side, you simply flip it over and grind on the other. So that's the Sharpie DX CL cordless from Arc-Zone.com. The fastest way to improve your TIG welding, guaranteed. Thanks for watching and good welding.
You've got this.
What?
I know everything about the Sharpie.
Okay, you can't show any of this though.